Hi there! You are here because you want to create a USB stick to install Windows 10 on your new PC at home, but you only have a Mac. You've tried everything and nothing seems to work. You've come to the right place. I have a very simple solution which requires no technical knowledge or any effort, and it will always work. Without further ado, let's get started. In order to create a USB stick with Windows 10, you need to first download Windows 10. I've put the download link in the description below, so you just have to go to that link and then you basically have to select the version of Windows 10 you want, which is only one option here, Windows 10. It has both the Windows 10 Home and Windows 10 Pro. You click confirm and then you specify your language. You pick the 64-bit version if you don't know which version you should download. Most likely that's the correct version for you. Then you wait for some time until the download completes. Now that I've finished downloading Windows 10, I'm ready to install Windows 10 with Boot Camp. The reason why I'm installing Windows 10 on my Apple computer is mainly because that's the easiest way to create a USB stick with Windows 10. The easiest way to create a USB stick with for Windows 10 is using Windows 10. The only downside I would say is that you do need to have at least 100 gigabytes of free disk space on your computer. Windows 10 installation, at least on with Boot Camp, requires 64 gigabytes of disk space to be used for the Windows 10 partition, as you can see from here. So I can increase the size, but I can't make it any less than 64 gigabytes. Just to be clear, I'm installing Windows 10 on my Apple computer temporarily. As soon as I create a USB stick with Windows 10, I will delete it. So whenever it asks you to enter the license number, you don't want the license number to be associated to your Mac computer. At this stage, you're supposed to click install and Windows 10 will be installed. If you have any doubts on how to actually complete that process, there's plenty of videos showing you the different steps, but it should be fairly straightforward. Bootcamp will guide you through the process and you'll install Windows 10 in no time. What I'll do now is I'm going to show you how to create a USB stick in Windows 10 once you've managed to install it in your Mac. Now that you've installed Windows 10 on your Mac, you're ready to install another tool from Microsoft. This tool will allow you to create a USB stick with Windows 10 that you can use to install it on your PC. So I click download tool now. Click accept after you get the license, of course. Now select create installation media, USB flash drive. Here I have already the language, edition and architecture pre-selected. If I didn't want those options for whatever reason, I could uncheck here and change it. But in my case, I don't need to change any of these settings. So I click next now. At this stage, before you go to the next step, you need to make sure your USB drive is already in your USB port in your computer. I will select the first option because I want to install Windows 10 on a USB flash drive. Click next, and now it will download Windows again, so that might take some time, and it will eventually install the Windows 10 setup into your flash drive. You just have to be patient. At this stage you might want to have a coffee and come back a bit later. Seems like The USB flash drive is ready, and that means that we can now install Windows 10 on a PC. I'm going to finish here. Now you have a flash drive that can install Windows 10 on your PC. I hope you found this video useful, and if you did like it, please click the thumbs up. And if you like to watch more videos like this, click subscribe, and see you again soon. Happy coding!